In this video, we compare DJI Air 3 Combo and DJI Mini 3 drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Air 3 Combo is a game changer in aerial photography, boasting dual cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking immersive shots. This drone is compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, enhancing its safety features and making it worry-free for users. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides comprehensive protection, especially in challenging environments. The DJI Air 3 Combo captures stunning 48-megapixel images, allowing for high-quality crops and revealing surprising details in every shot. With its ability to record 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, it provides immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. The DJI Air 3 Combo offers a stable 04 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. The DJI Mini 3 drone is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect travel companion for adventures varying from hikes to beach days. With the use of the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the drone can extend its flight time up to 51 minutes, providing ample time to capture your desired shots. The DJI Mini 3 drone delivers stunning 4K HDR video, ensuring crystal clear aerial shots both during the day and at night. The drone features true vertical shooting, allowing for effortless capture of tall landmarks and providing the perfect orientation for social media sharing. The DJI Mini 3 drone offers creative features such as quick shots and panorama, allowing for dynamic flight patterns and capturing stunning views. The drone includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The DJI Air 3 Combo and DJI Mini 3 drone are both impressive in their own right, each offering unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. The DJI Air 3 Combo, for instance, stands out with its dual cameras, FAA Remote ID compliance, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. These features make it an excellent choice for users who value safety and image quality. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 drone shines with its compactness, extended flight time, and true vertical shooting feature, making it ideal for travel enthusiasts and social media users. While both drones offer 4K HDR video capability, the DJI Air 3 Combo provides a higher image resolution at 48 megapixels compared to DJI Mini 3 drone. In terms of transmission, the DJI Air 3 Combo offers an impressive 20 kilometers range, while the DJI Mini 3 drone does not specify the transmission range. Both drones also come with their respective versions of DJI RC, with the DJI Mini 3 drone's RC featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display. In conclusion, both drones have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on the specific needs and preferences of the user.